Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Rosaline at Just Awesome. So this video is pretty much showing you how I achieve this rubber band box braid look. Let's dive into it. So first thing first, you need to get the foundation, which is putting the hair in the rubber band, and afterwards this you can divide it however you want, but I was doing this, I think this is square, so I did it in a way it's easier for me. And after you are done putting all your hair in a rubber band, just like you can see here, pretty neat. So the next thing will be to go ahead and crochet in the hair, which I'm doing right here. Just get a braiding hair. This should be a 20 or 24 inches, I can't remember. I got the braiding hair from Amazon. Go ahead and crochet in the braid. Choose a sizable, depending on the size you want. I believe this is a normal size, like a medium size box braid, so choose the size you want. Pass it through the hair in the rubber band and go ahead and braid it down up to the level you want to keep the hair at. And of course you will see that I left out some hair at the end of this braid, because I want to add some coils to it. But you see, self-explanatory. Just do this, repeat the same thing throughout the hair. That's the same thing I did here. And of course when you pass the braid through the rubber band, you want to divide it into 3 equal parts, because this is a box braid. If it's a twist, of course it's just 2, but this is 3. I'm doing it 3. And you do this for the whole hair you have. And yeah, that's the name of the company. I got the hair from Amazon. I'll try to find information, I'll put it down below. And I think I use about 2 of those and half. No, let me just say 2, because I used the half first, and then yeah, just 2 packs of that to get this look. Of course it's not that full, and I love it. I can get air into my hair and it feels so good. I'm taking a break from weight, which feels so good. So I did this whole thing, the whole hair, and you'll see it. Also you can see that I use this roller to put the hair, the ends in a roller, roll it up and hold it down. And after I was done, you see I put it in hot water, but you see all the whole process, as you watch. It's self-explanatory, but yeah, just hold the whole thing, and I tie it at the end of each braid at least 3 times. Okay, I tied it at least 3 times. And after I was done, like I said, I went ahead and put in hot water, did the necessary things that I needed to do. And yeah, I think I use a mousse, styling mousse on it, and then tie it down at the end. But this is the hair, you see, pretty neat. And this is what I was looking for, so it came out good. And the total hour, I think it was about 6 hours, because I started this around a few minutes after 6, and I was done before 11 o'clock, something like that, about 5 hours. So of course you're gonna take this down just like I'm doing, and cut any excess hair that you don't want. And see, that's pretty much it. The hair is done. You'll see when I tie it down, and I ended up adding some some accessories. Okay, accessories. But yeah, this is it. and your girl is ready, and I think I am feeling this hair right now. People love it. Honestly, they're like, who did your hair? I did. What? Yes, I did it myself. But girl, your girl is really having fun with this hair, okay? It's been over a year, more than a year. I did braids. I've been wearing wigs, so I decided to take a break with this one. But anyways, thank you. This is the accessories. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. These are some pictures. But thank you and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.